Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make better purchasing decisions. Today, we're putting two drones head-to-head in an aerial showdown. On my left, we have the TENSSENX GPS Drone, and on my right, the Techwonderz drone with camera. It's the battle of the skies, so buckle up and let's get flying. The TENSSENX boasts a 4K ultra-clear camera with a 120 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustability. Reviewers say it's like having a mini IMAX theater in the sky. Meanwhile, the Techwonderz gives us a 1080p HD dual camera setup with a front camera that also rotates 90 degrees. One reviewer mentioned that while the 1080p quality is good, it's not quite cinema grade like the TENSSENX. So, if 4K is like watching Avengers in a cinema, 1080p is like watching it on your grandma's old TV. But hey, at least grandma's TV can zoom in 50 times. Next up, let's talk about the wallet damage. The TENSSENX will cost you $169. Reviewers feel that this is a reasonable price for the high-quality camera and features offered. On the other hand, the Techwonderz is a bit kinder to your budget at $129. Reviewers mention that it's a great value and cost-effective, especially for beginners. So if you're looking to save some bucks for your next Netflix binge, Techwonderz might be your go-to. All right, moving on to flight experience. TENSSENX gives you up to 52 minutes of flight time with its two batteries. It's like the marathon runner of drones. Plus, it has GPS auto-return, so it'll come back home like a well-trained dog. The Techwonderz, though, also gives you around 50 minutes of flight time, but adds in 360 degrees obstacle avoidance. Reviewers noted that this feature helps it dodge obstacles like it's in the Matrix. Both drones make flying super easy for beginners, but TENSSENX takes the cake with its GPS features. Now, let's check out the design. TENSSENX comes with a carrying case and a foldable design, perfect for those spontaneous trips to the park or, running away from responsibilities. Plus, it weighs under 250 grams, so no FAA registration needed. Techwonderz, on the other hand, is simple and user-friendly, but lacks the folding magic. Reviewers appreciate its lightweight and compact design, but note that it's not as portable as the TENSSENX. So if you're a fan of Transformers, TENSSENX is your bumblebee. Finally, let's talk smart features. TENSSENX can follow you, fly along a path, and even take selfies when you pose. It's like having your personal paparazzi. Reviewers love these intelligent functions, especially the gesture control and auto-return. Techwonderz also has cool tricks up its sleeve, like 360 degrees flips and rolls, waypoint functions, and gesture controls. It's basically the Cirque du Soleil of drones. Reviewers find these features fun and easy to use, making it suitable for both adults and kids. Both drones offer some pretty nifty features, but if you want to feel like a celebrity, TENSSENX has your back. Summarizing the reviews, the TENSSENX GPS Drone is praised for its high-quality camera, user-friendly flight features, and premium feel. It's seen as a great option for those looking for a more advanced drone experience. On the other hand, the Techwonderz drone with camera is highlighted for its cost-effectiveness, ease of use, and fun features, making it an excellent choice for beginners and casual users. So there you have it, folks. TENSSENX with its 4K camera, GPS auto-return, and foldable design is perfect for those who want the premium experience. Meanwhile, Techwonderz is a budget-friendly option with obstacle avoidance and fun flying tricks. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode of buy smart. Until next time, fly high and buy smart. Product links are in the description.